So without wasting time, let's directly get to the point that how you can find the follow requests on the Threads app. As you know that this is the new app launched by Instagram, and you may have faced the difficulties finding the people who requested to follow you. But you don't have to worry, because in this video tutorial I'm gonna show you that how you can find the follow requests. And for that purpose, if I go to my profile and then tap onto my followers, then here I will find the people who are following me, and here in this list I will find the people I am following too. And if I tap on the pending section, here I will see the accounts I have requested to follow you. But for finding the people who requested to follow me, you have to go back and just tap on this heart icon available next to the profile button in the bottom right corner. So tap on this heart and you will simply find all the people who requested to follow you. And for more easiness, just press this requests button, and here you will only find the people who requested to follow you, and you just have to press the confirm button and he will be added to your following list. You can also follow them back by just pressing this follow button. So that's how you find the follow requests, by going into this heart icon and going to the requests button. If you have any other questions, let me know in the comments. Now if you want to see that how you can follow all the people on Threads that you are following on Instagram, or how you can follow all of your Instagram followings on Threads, here's a quick video tutorial in the end screen. Go watch out that video. I'll be waiting for you in that video there. Thank you so much.